Ah, the junk drawer. We all have one, haven't we? That one drawer where things disappear, only to reappear when we least expect it. But what if I told you this? Even the humblest junk drawer can spark joy. By embracing the principles of tidying, we can transform this forgotten space into a haven of order and efficiency. In today's video, we'll embark on a journey together. We'll declutter with intention, choosing to keep only those items that truly serve a purpose in our lives. Are you ready to discover the hidden potential of your junk drawer? Let's begin. The first step on our tidying journey is to greet the drawer with a grateful heart. Now, gently remove everything from the drawer and place it on a clean, flat surface. As you handle each item, take a moment to connect with it. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it brings a smile to your face or serves a practical purpose, then find a special place for it in your newly organized drawer. However, if the item no longer brings joy or serves a purpose, thank it for its service and bid it farewell. Remember, letting go can be a beautiful act of self-care. Now let's begin sorting the remaining items into categories. Think about the function of each item. Do you really need 3 tape dispensers or 5 pairs of scissors? Choose your favorites and let go of the rest. Now that our items have been sorted and we've expressed gratitude for what no longer serves us, we can move on to the next step, cleansing and preparing the drawer itself. First, remove any lingering dust or debris. A soft cloth and a bit of gentle cleaner will do the trick. As you wipe down the surfaces, visualize yourself removing any stagnant energy and making way for a sense of peace and order. If you encounter any stubborn sticky residue, a little rubbing alcohol or vinegar will come to the rescue. Now take a moment to appreciate the clean and empty drawer. Before we move on to organizing, let's take a moment to measure our drawer. Now comes the fun part. Choosing or creating organizers that will transform our drawer into a haven of order. This is where creativity meets functionality and the possibilities are endless. Remember those categories we created earlier? They will guide us in selecting the perfect storage solutions for each group of items. By keeping similar items together, we ensure that everything has its own place, making it easier to find what we need when we need it. For those who prefer a ready-made approach, there are many beautiful and functional drawer organizers available. These can be found in a variety of materials, sizes, and designs to suit any taste and requirement. Acrylic dividers offer a sleek and modern aesthetic, perfect for those who love a minimalist look, while expandable bamboo trays bring a touch of nature indoors. They are not only eco-friendly but also adjustable to fit various drawer sizes. But for a truly personalized touch, let's explore the world of DIY organizers. Crafting your own organizers allows you to customize the size, shape, and design to perfectly fit your needs. Not only is this a budget-friendly option, but it also allows us to repurpose items we already have, reducing waste and giving them a new lease on life. It's a win-win for both our wallets and the environment. Small boxes such as shoebox lids, food packaging, and those charming jewelry boxes we often hold onto make excellent compartments for our drawer. They are perfect for keeping smaller items neatly organized. Muffin tins and ice cube trays are perfect for corralling small items like paper clips, thumbtacks, and those tiny buttons that always seem to go astray. These everyday kitchen items can be surprisingly effective in maintaining order. For longer items like cords and rubber bands, consider upcycling cardboard toilet paper rolls. They are an excellent way to keep these items from tangling and getting lost. And don't forget about those versatile plastic food containers. They come in various sizes and can be easily repurposed to fit different items. Wash them thoroughly, add a touch of decorative flair if desired, and they're ready to house your belongings. With a bit of creativity, even the most mundane items can become part of a beautifully organized drawer. With our organizers selected, we can now begin the joyful process of arranging our items in a way that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This step is not just about tidiness, it's about creating a space that brings you peace and efficiency. Think about your daily routine and the items you use most frequently. These are the things that should be most accessible to you. These should be placed at the front of the drawer for easy access. This way, you won't have to rummage through your drawers to find what you need. Pens, pencils, scissors, tape, and other everyday essentials should be within easy reach. Keeping these items organized will save you time and reduce stress. Items that are used less often can be stored towards the back of the drawer. This helps to keep your most important items front and center. When arranging your items, consider grouping similar objects together. This method not only looks visually appealing but also makes it easier to locate items quickly. This creates a sense of visual order and makes it easy to find what you need at a glance. A well-organized drawer can bring a sense of calm and satisfaction. For an extra touch of organization, consider using small trays or containers within your larger organizers to create even more designated spaces. This adds another layer of order to your system. This is especially helpful for small items like paper clips, push pins, and memory cards that tend to get lost in the shuffle. By giving each item a specific place, you ensure that everything has a home. Our final step in transforming our junk drawer is to add labels. Labels are like little signposts guiding us to exactly what we need, when we need it. They also help to maintain order, ensuring that every item has a designated home. For a clean and professional look, stick-on labels are an excellent choice. If you prefer a more flexible option, chalkboard labels are a fun and practical choice. For a touch of whimsy and color, consider using washi tape for your labels. As you label each organizer, take a moment to reflect on the joy that this newfound order brings. No more rummaging through a chaotic mess. Everything has its place, making it easy to find what you need and put it back where it belongs. There you have it, a junk drawer transformed. What was once a chaotic mess is now a beacon of order and simplicity. Doesn't it feel wonderful to open the drawer and be greeted by a sense of order and tranquility? It's like a breath of fresh air every time you reach for something. Remember, this newfound organization is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that supports your well-being and allows you to move through life with greater ease and joy. A tidy space can truly transform your daily routine. As you admire your handiwork, remember that the journey doesn't end here. Maintaining this level of organization requires a bit of ongoing effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Tidying is an ongoing practice, a way of life that extends far beyond our physical possessions. It's about cultivating a mindset of mindfulness and care in everything we do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please share the joy and pass it on to a friend. Sharing these tips can help others find the same sense of peace and order in their lives. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more inspiring tips on how to create a more joyful and fulfilling life. There's always something new to learn and explore. Until next time, may your days be filled with peace, order, and plenty of sparks of joy. Keep striving for that perfect balance in your space. Say goodbye to the chaos and hello to a system that actually works. Embrace the change and enjoy the benefits of a well-organized life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an amazing DIY organization tip. Your support means the world to me. And let me know in the comments, what's the most surprising thing you found in your junk drawer? I love hearing your stories and discoveries. See you in the next video, keep organizing and keep smiling.